Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So as you can tell, it's snowing. It's been snowing like this since like 7 in the morning and it's already 2. That's why there wasn't a video up Sunday. If you guys can't already tell, our posting schedule is Wednesday and Sunday, but we've been missing our Sundays.
Mostly because of the weather though.
Yeah, so since it is snowing, there's not much we can do. We went out on, what was it, Saturday? Yeah, we went to Best Buy on Saturday in Lacey. The road conditions were just really bad. So right now we're on our way to Best Buy. We're gonna go look for a sound bar because ours broke yesterday.
Yeah, it literally just fell off of our like TV stand area and it flew off.
It was crazy. We were watching a movie and our sound bar just flew off.
Yeah, so like all the cables and stuff broke and it was just crazy. So now we're going to Best Buy to see if we can get a new sound bar.
Yeah, but man, it looks beautiful.
We left our house one time out of the whole weekend just to go get a sound system. That's how bad the weather, the snow is over here. So
yeah, and that was actually what, the first or the second day it had snowed, so it wasn't as bad. But this is so beautiful to us. Since we're from Texas, we rarely ever see snow, and here it's been non-stop. So for today's video, we decided to do who can build the best snowman. So we're gonna go get covered up and we'll see you guys outside. Okay guys, so now we're in the front of our apartments. Look how deep this snow is. Show them. Go. Dang, your whole hand disappears. Ooh. Okay, so we're gonna start building our snowmans. Let's see who can do it better. Ready, babe?
yeah.
Okay guys, let's get started.
Mike, get set, go.
Okay guys, so we're done. Now to show you close up. My hair is literally soaking wet right now.
My socks are wet. And that's actually our first...
Look, it's literally dripping off my forehead.
That's actually our first time ever building a snowman.
Yeah, we were talking about it. It was both of our first times.
It was
crazy.
It was pretty hard, but then I started
it was a lot harder.
I started thinking, and I think I got it. But we're gonna go show you guys our snowman.
Okay, so comment down below who you guys think won. This is Danielle's snowman. This is Joelle's.
It's almost my size.
So, since you saw our snowmans, go ahead and comment down below who you guys think did better. And we're gonna go ahead and end it here.
And just show you guys, if you guys are trying to start a YouTube video, I'm telling you, you don't need a lot of stuff. I mean, granted, we used our ring light, but we used it to record us because we didn't have an extra person to record us. So, well, however you guys can figure out, you know, record, and you know, just go ahead.
Ooh, it looks so pretty. It looks like it's starting to come down a little faster. Look at that. Yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.